We're in the right settings.
All right. Hey, good morning. What's up, crew? Welcome back to another day on the vlog here. It is 5:45. Just got the coffee going. Gotta go pick up some bagels now. Calling an audible. Looks like Schaefer's is open. We're gonna go see what they have. So we went with the donuts this morning. The donut guy again. So 7 a.m. departure. Fun day today. We are flying to Memphis and then we stop in Huntsville and we'll end up in Cobb County just outside of Atlanta today. So good day of flying. Super pumped. And yeah, I'm excited for what's ahead in the channel. If you're new here, this is the show that documents pilot life. My name's Corey. This is Pilot Vlogs. It's pilot life from my perspective. If that's something you think you'd be into, hit subscribe, leave a comment, let me know that you're new, ring the bell, all that stuff. And Alright, so we're about 40 minutes from departure here, just pulling out the airplane. We'll fire up the APU in about 15-20 minutes or so, and get ready to be on our way to Memphis. Looks like there might be some weather in Cobb County this afternoon, so we'll keep an eye on that. Don't want to get caught in any thunderstorms out there today. to Huntsville, and we'll be here for a few hours. Might have some weather in the next place, so could be overnight even. We're not sure yet. So I may grab some lunch. May take a nap. We'll kind of see how this unfolds. So it's a quick flight over to Atlanta, 20 minutes. So if the weather is, there looks like there's a gap in the weather, we can make it, but if it's kind of socked in, then it might just be worth it to spend the night here and go in the morning. It's about 11:54 local time, 16:54 Zulu for the Av geeks out there. Anyways, yeah, so just finished up some paperwork, got that all done, and
watch out, 'cause I know the breaks coming.
all right, what's up, crew? So it's 2:45, 1942 Zulu. Hanging out in the pilot's lounge, getting some rest. I woke up at 3:30 this morning, so I'm tired. Getting some reading in. Right now it's looking like we'll make it to Atlanta, but that's to be determined. So we wait, we rest, we stay fresh. So they aren't sure if they can get us in the hangar tonight. Gotta put the shades in. Finally on our way. Uh, 6 o'clock now in Atlanta. Might try and order some Jimmy John's real fast for dinner. Give the kids a call and call it a night. I gotta get some sleep tonight, so.